What's going on, guys? It's someone in Chip back with another video. So today we're going to be making a beat with the Chucky beats guitar loop for his challenge. I don't know if I'll actually be entering the challenge, but I'm just going to use the loop because it's cool. So yeah, alright, before we start, don't forget to follow my Instagram @1inchip_ and my Twitch @1inchip. Yeah, let's go. So I've got the loop loaded in. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but let's see. Alright, so I just finished recording the video and I realised that I didn't have desktop audio enabled, so you couldn't hear the beat. So I'm just gonna walk through what I did and like all the sounds and everything that I did to make the beat. Okay? What was that? Anyway, so we're just gonna highlight these. So that's basically, this is the beat, the rest is just repeated basically, but so this is the loop. Alright, and it's got this section as well. Yeah, and that's it. I did add a bunch of effects, that's quite a lot, but yeah, basically from the reverb to the distortion, that's like a guitar rig sort of thing. It's just I added it to guitars, so it's not really that much if you think about it. But yeah, and then I've got the gross beat and flanger, so if you want to hear it dry, that's what it sounds like. It's a subtle difference, but it sounds better. Then what did I do? I guess I just added this 808. Yeah, let's play the 808. You can just do it in the pattern. So basically it follows the root note, which I think is E, but yeah, and then it goes up to the 5th. I think, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it goes up in the chord. But yeah, also I pitched this down, I think 300, oh no, 200. But yeah, that's that. Then I added a clap along with that, hi-hats. Quite simple, bouncy though, and then perks like this. So snare. That's that. Added this. What is this? Oh, this little percussion sound. Just goes in like that. And then obviously I did a kick. And yeah, just follows the 808 pattern. I think, yeah, this one right here. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, these two hit, bounce off the 808, but apart from that it follows it. And yeah, to the kick, yeah, I just boosted it up quite a lot. And oh yeah, I did this sub bass for the intro. Same notes as the 808. Yeah, and apart from that, added these transition effects. Yeah, like that. Oh, and that's that. So then if you want to hear we'll just play it from here. This is the loop. No, it isn't. That's with the flanger, but yeah, we play it. And then to add variation, I added this beat cut right here, and it sounds like this. And it just cuts out the beat, adds tension, suspense. You know, I just did that. Obviously, added my tag. And that's the beat. It's pretty simple. There's not really much to it. It's not really a contest beat, but you know, I just wanted to make a beat from this loop, and I did. So I don't know if I'll actually enter the contest. I probably won't, but yeah, alright. So anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. I sort of messed up, but you know, there'll be a quick time lapse of me making the beat, just with no sound, and then yeah, and I just explain what I did. Pretty simple, but anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked it, subscribe, like the video. Also, yeah, follow my Instagram @moneychip_ and my Twitch @moneychip. I stream on there. Gonna start doing daily streams, I think, but for now I just stream every now and then, so check me out. We're making beats live. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.